Metals and non-metals. Activity: bust that rust. Objective: to study the rusting of steel wool using vinegar. Theory: steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Steel wool has a protective coating that keeps oxygen from coming in contact with the iron. Vinegar contains acetic acid which removes this coating. When the protective coating is removed, oxygen in the atmosphere can reach the iron in the steel wool and a chemical reaction called oxidation occurs. Thus, formation of a red-brown layer of hydrated iron oxide on reaction with water and oxygen of iron in steel wool occurs along with the release of heat energy which increases the temperature inside the beaker. This happens as rusting of iron is an exothermic reaction, a chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of heat. Learning outcomes: 1. Students understand the oxidation reaction. 2. Students learn how rust forms. 3. Students visually see the rise in temperature in the thermometer to understand the concept of exothermic reactions. Materials required: 1. Steel wool. 2. Vinegar. 3. 2 beakers. 4. Paper or a lid, something to cover the beaker to keep the heat in. 5. Thermometer. Did you know? Rusted iron can be a breeding ground for bacteria that cause tetanus. Cuts from these objects that pierce the skin can be dangerous. The collapse of the Silver Bridge in 1967 and the Mayanas River Bridge in 1983 is attributed to the corrosion of the steel/iron components of the bridge. Procedure: 1. Place the steel wool in a beaker. 2. Pour some vinegar to about the 200 ml mark in the beaker with wool, and let it soak for around 1 minute. 3. Take the wool out, remove any excess vinegar. 4. Wrap the steel wool around the base of the thermometer and place them both in the second beaker. 5. Cover the beaker with paper or a lid to keep the heat in. Make sure you can still read the temperature on the thermometer. Having a small hole in the paper or lid for the thermometer to go through is a good idea. 6. Check the initial temperature and then monitor it for around 5 minutes. Observation: 1. A red-brown layer of rust deposits on the steel wool. 2. The temperature in the thermometer gradually rises. Conclusion: steel wool undergoes rusting. Precaution: 1. Wear gloves while handling the chemicals. 2. Read the temperature change carefully in the thermometer. Sorting queries: do you know that rust is an undesirable phenomenon?
Why?
Rusting causes iron to become flaky and weak, degrading its strength, appearance, and permeability. Rusted iron does not hold the desirable properties of iron.
So how can we protect iron objects from undergoing rusting?
Methods like oiling and painting, alloying, galvanization, electroplating with other metals like chromium help in prevention against rust.
That's really helpful. I understand that these methods prevent moist air from coming in contact with iron and so rusting does not take place.
Case study: Iron pillar situated near the Qutub Minar at Mehrauli in Delhi is 1600 years old and is called a rustless wonder. Find out the reasons why it has not rusted over the years. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!